Being an entertainer allows me to be out in front of the public a lot, my audience, fans, and one thing that I always appreciate is being able to see what's going on in their lives, hear from them, because they're always hearing from me as an artist. My life and my career as an entertainer is heavily involved in giving back. And giving doesn't always mean money or finances. Giving has a lot to do with time. It has a lot to do with your resources, your connections. So as a giver, it starts internally. You have to want to give. You have to want to make a difference. You have to want to see something change in your surroundings. And then that starts to breed, and that becomes action. That turns into something positive, and that turns into you actually getting out and giving. So I would suggest not just me telling you something, but me inviting you to help along and build the community. Giving doesn't have to be money. It doesn't have to be finances. Giving can be time, resources. It could be clothing. Giving could be advice. So there are so many different ways that we can give. So many different people that need our gifts and need our time, our affection, our attention, our resources. So I would suggest to you that you would become interactive and help Community Action Partnership.